So after chatting with my colleagues, I volunteered to send out an email just sharing with the business about my life and my experience as a lesbian in the Downer organisation. That email elicited hundreds and hundreds of responses from people in our business. Every response was positive. Every response was people saying thank you for talking about your experience and thank you for sharing your experience. And lots of allies coming out and saying, hey, this is fantastic. We know there's a need for a Rainbow Community Forum or something more formal for the Rainbow community within Downer. We gathered together anyone who'd expressed an interest from the community, and we held our first meeting of now named StandOut in January 2022. The group at the moment is for members of the Rainbow community only. And we've done that really because some of the people who wrote to me initially did not feel comfortable being out in the workplace. And so part of the work we're doing with StandOut is to help the organisation and most importantly members of our Rainbow community to feel welcome and safe and included in the Downer community.
We've started to roll out Rainbow training across Downer, and we've also been doing some events.
It's an active community, it's a very broad church, a really great mix of people, and we welcome anyone into the StandOut community.